Hi, this is Mr. B, and I want to show you today how to draw diagrams using Google Sheets. And this video is this third objective here where we are communicating with diagrams. In the previous video, you looked at ratio language and how to explain ratios, and that will help you with the writing portion of our project. It's a small portion, and diagrams will be a part of that portion. Let's take a look at the project. So in this part of the project, it's asking us to explain using words and diagrams. So you'll have to type sentences and create a diagram. Now this is not a big one-page type of thing. This is just a few sentences answering each of these questions and also creating a diagram. You could be creative with this, and it's kind of fun to create these diagrams. Let's see how to do this. First, we come up here to the top where we see Insert. Click on Insert and then look for Drawing, because you're going to draw the diagram. It will create a mat for you to draw your diagram, and then it's got some tools at the top up here. The line tool will create lines, and of course there's shapes and text, and we can also import an image. So let's start with shapes. When we're drawing a diagram, keep in mind we're not drawing a picture of the bicycle. We're not drawing a bicycle, and we're not drawing the gears of a bicycle. We're simply drawing shapes and lines to show the connections between the numbers in our ratio. So for example, we can create circles like this. It will automatically fill it in with blue. We can choose any color we'd like. We can also make a duplicate of that very easily by pressing the Control button and then click and drag and then let go. You gotta click, drag, let go of the click first. So here you go, you've got a duplicate right there of your circle. We can create text boxes just like this. Click on our text box tool, select the area you want to type in, and then we can type labels or categories, whatever we need. We can create lines by using our line tool. Select that and just draw your lines. So in our example here, I want to show how to draw a diagram to represent a ratio. For example, if there were 1 gear in the front and 3 gears in the back, we could draw something like this. And I'm showing you this example because this is our first time and we're just learning how to draw a diagram, so I'm giving you a little more guidance. Keep in mind also, we're not drawing a picture of a bicycle, and we're not drawing a picture of the gears of a bicycle either. We are drawing the relationship between 1 gear in the front and 3 gears in the back. And so we can put a label on here. Keep in mind, this is just an example for this diagram where I'm using 1 gear in the front and 3 in the back. This is not the project, it's not the practice. I'm just doing this for this particular example. So now we have a diagram that shows there's 1 in the front, there's 3 in the back, and they're connected together. Remember, we're not drawing a chain like it's going to look like a bicycle. We're simply drawing a relationship between the 1 and the 3 so that people can see this and say, oh, I see, they're connected. This gear in the front can connect to all 3 gears. So using ratio language, you could say for every gear in the front, there are 3 gears in the back. When we're done with our drawing, you can hit Save and Close, and it will appear somewhere. It may appear at the top or on the side or on the bottom. Look for your diagram here and you can click on it. When you click on it, you'll notice there's a blue box around the diagram. When you click on it with the blue box, then you can drag it and set it down wherever you would like it. So I'm going to just kind of put it down here. It's pretty big, so we can resize as well. Grab one of these little boxes on the corners, click and drag, and you can resize it. Now you don't have to put it inside this box. You can place it anywhere you want. You can put your diagram down here if you'd like, and then type your text in that box there. So that is how you can draw a diagram using Google Sheets.